How would you like to experience precision driving, faster lap times, improved road feel, and feedback? Well, our patented Polybronze suspension bearings set a new standard for performance, ride quality, and ease of installation. Polybronze is a precision bronze bearing encased in a polyurethane jacket. The combination delivers a smooth ride with the extreme performance of a metal bearing. Polybronze bearings are a low-friction replacement for factory rubber suspension bushings. Friction is consistently low over the bearing life, delivering excellent ride quality and maximum road-holding performance. Polybronze have a rigid bronze bearing core that does not deform. The polyurethane jacket absorbs mount irregularities, while the bronze inner bearing remains true, providing a free-moving machine fit that rides on a precision race. Provided grease fittings make relubrication a breeze, and a figure-8 groove pattern keeps the grease in place. The combination delivers zero squeaks and friction-free suspension movement, well suited to street or track ride quality.